If you make a rage game, I'll get mad. But this game is also not making me mad. Haha, you thought I was gonna say I'm getting angry this game. I'm not. I'm having a lot of fun. I love this game. This is my favorite Punch-Out game. Oh my god! I did it! I did it! Oh my god! I did it! Oh my god! Oh my god! I did it! I did TAS Piston! I did I did it! Oh my god! New record! Wow. I'm happy. Let's see how long I was recording that. I did that in under 20 minutes! Oh my god! Let's do. Ready? Check. I'll do TAS Nick in the same thing. First try, no possible way I could ever mess this up. Boom, 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 I messed it up. Okay, there we go, that's that. I can't believe I matched the TAS already. I expected that to take much longer. That's pretty cool. Okay.